Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about the TLOC colors and how to restrict the network not forming the IPsec connection to all the TLOC received using the TLOC colors. Okay. As per the BH design, so once it receives the TLOC information, what it does is it try to form the IPsec session to all the TLOCs. So basically here you can see green and orange, right? So consider T1, T2, T3 and T4. So and you have the two ISPs, and considering this two ISP having some route leaking, so you have the reachability for the IP reachability between T1, T2 and T3 and T4. So in that case that VH1 and 2, right? So they will form the IPsec sessions actually. So we don't need this kind of all the sessions to be formed in some design criteria. So what we can do, we can restrict this using the TLOC colors. How do we do that? So here you can see we have something called TLOC colors. So basically when we have the tunnel interface on the VH routers, what we do is we configure the parameter called tunnel, right? BIS internet or MPLS, or you can do your own naming convention, right? So you can use that color name, okay, and mention that if the TLOC is only the matches the local color name that I matched on the WAN interface, then you form the IPsec connection. Otherwise, you don't form the IPsec connection. So that's how we are gonna restrict the IPsec forming between the VHS through the different networks. Okay, let's quickly do the lab. Okay, here you can see I have the internet and MPLS and have the connectivity, and we have VH1 which is connected to the internet, VH3 is connected to the MPLS, and VH1 I connected to internet as well as the MPLS, and currently I have the reachability. So what we can do is like we can quickly log in and check the how many IPsec connection has been formed between this VH1 to other TLOCs. For that, let me log into VH1. Okay. So to verify it, there is a command OMP TLOC path. Okay, so this will tell me so how many TLOC paths are available for me. Okay, here you can see this 31 is my local IP. Okay, I have one is MPLS, one is the BIS internet. So you can see one is MPLS, one is another one is I internet. Okay, and encapsulation is IPsec. This is the TLOC, right? So, and I received two more. One is from the 32, one is from the 42, but from the same site ID. One is the BIS internet, one is the MPLS. Okay, let me quickly show BFD session. Yeah. Here you can see I did formed four IPsec sessions between them. So basically it should be two. One is via the internet and the second is via the MPLS. So it should be like internet to internet, and second thing is MPLS to MPLS. But in this case it formed a full mesh as, and it formed IPsec tunnel to all the TLOCs that it received it. Okay. So you can quickly check in other routers also. Okay, it formed two towards the site 31. Show OMP TLOC path. Here you can see that it received the four routes, right? It has the one local and three from the remote. But you see that this 32 and 42 are from the same site, so they don't form the IPsec tunnel between each other. That's why it forms only with the site ID 31. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to use this color restrict command under the tunnel interface. So that will make sure that it will not form between like internet to MPLS and vice versa. For that, I'll go to the configuration T, VPN 0, show full configuration. So I'll simply go inside this tunnel interface, then configure color, say BIS internet. This is a link, BIS internet link, and I'm going to use a command restrict. Okay, so the next is I'm gonna exit and go inside the another interface where I have MPLS connected. 0/1, same tunnel interface, color, MPLS restrict. Okay, then give a commit. So you have to do this in all the interfaces. Just give me a minute. It's full. Okay, I used the wrong interface name. So okay. So what I can do is I can exit, show full configuration. Okay, I created this wrongly. I used hyphen instead of going to 0/1. So I'll remove it and quickly go inside this. Okay, then color, MPLS, restrict. Okay, then let me give a commit. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's verify the routes now. Show OMP TLOC path, how many paths that we are receiving. Okay, now we are receiving the 4 path. Let's check the BFD session, the IPsec tunnel, BFD session. Yes. Now here you can see, now it is restricted to BIS internet to BIS internet and MPLS to MPLS. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video.